Good morning, students. Review exercise 5, question 1, MCQs. First MCQ is in the following linear equation is 5x is greater than 7. No, it is not an equation, it is an inequality. B option, 4x minus 2 is less than 1. Again, it is an inequality and not an equation. C, 2x plus 1 is equal to 1, sign of equality, so it is an equation and it is a linear equation because the variable x has maximum power 1. So C is the correct option. B, 4 is equal to 1 plus 3. This is also an equation, but it is not a linear equation. Second MCQ, solution of 5x minus 10 is equal to 10 is, given is a linear equation, 5x minus 10 is equal to 10. Let us find its solution. It is a linear equation, so variable on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. Transpose 10 to the right hand side, 5x is equal to 20, 10 plus 10 is 20, dividing both sides by 5, 5x over 5 is x, 20 over 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So, solution of 5x minus 10 is equal to 10 is 4. Correct option is C. Third MCQ, if 7x plus 4 is less than 6x plus 6, then x belongs to the interval. Let us see x belongs to which interval? 7x plus 4 is less than 6x plus 6. 7x, 6x minus 6x is less than 6 plus 4 minus 4. 7x minus 6x is x is less than 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, or minus infinity to 2. Parenthesis shows that 2 is not included. So minus 2, minus infinity and 2 is the interval to which this x belongs to. Correct option is C. Fourth MCQ, a vertical line divides the plane into. A vertical line divides the plane into. Let this be a plane. Vertical line is like this. This is vertical line. It divides the plane one half, second half. A vertical line divides the plane into half planes. A vertical line divides the plane into left half plane, no. Right half plane, no. Full plane, no. Two half planes. 1 and 1, 2 half planes. So the correct option is D. Fifth MCQ, the equation formed from the linear inequality is called. You know the equations which we formed from linear inequality are called, these equations are called associated equations or corresponding equations. Cubic equation, no. Associated equation, yes. The equations which we form from linear inequality is called associated equation. Quadratic equation, no. Feasible region, no. Sixth MCQ, 3x plus 4 is less than 0 is equation, no, because no sign of equality. Inequality, yes, it is an inequality. Correct option is inequality. Not inequality, identity, no, it is an inequality. Seventh MCQ, corner point is called, is also called chord, no. Vertex, yes. Corner point is also called as vertex. Curve, no. Region, no. So correct option is B, which is vertex. Eighth MCQ, 0, 0 is solution of inequality. This or this. Let us put the values in this. 4x plus 5y is greater than 8. Second one is 3x plus y is greater than 6. Third one is minus 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 0. Fourth is x plus y is greater than 4. 0, 0. That is putting the value of x equal to 0 and also y 0. 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 is greater than 8. 4 zeros are 0 plus 5 zeros are 0 plus 0 is greater than 8. No. 0 can never be greater than 8. False. 3x plus y. Putting the value of x 0 and also putting the value of y 0 is greater than 6. 0, 3 zeros are 0 plus 0 is greater than 6. No, 0 cannot be greater than 6. Minus 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 0. Let us see. Minus 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 0. 2 zeros are 0. Putting the value of y also equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 is equal to 0. Yes, this is correct. 0 plus 0 is greater than 4. 0 is greater than 4. This is also wrong. So C is the correct option. Ninth MCQ. The solution region restricted to the first quadrant is called. The solution region restricted to the first quadrant is called feasible region. This is called feasible region. 10th MCQ, a function that is to be maximized or minimized is called an objective function. The function which is to be minimized or maximized is called objective function. Question 2. Solve and represent the solution on real line. Given equation is x plus 5 over 3 equals 1 minus x. By cross multiplying, x plus 5 equals 3 times 1 minus x. X plus 5, opening the bracket, 3 ones are 3. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. X plus 3x is equal to 3 minus 5. X plus 3x is equal to 4x is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Dividing both sides by 4. 4x over 4, 4 cancelled with 4. X is equal to minus 2 over 4. X is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. X is equal to minus 1 over 2. Check. Given equation is x plus 5 over 3 equals 1 minus x. Putting x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 1 minus x is replaced by minus 1 by 2. 1 minus x. LCM of the numerator 2 minus 1. 5 twos are 10 over 3 is equal to minus into minus is plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 10 is equal to 9 over 2 whole divided by 3 is equal to, taking LCM, 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 9 over 2 into 3 equals 3 by 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This is true. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is a solution of this. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 is solution of x plus 5 over 3 equals 1 minus x. Now let us represent it on real line. With the help of a foot ruler, let us draw a line. We have to mark equidistant points on the line. I am taking 1 inch. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, positive infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, minus infinity. X is minus 1 by 2. 0, minus 1, so minus 1 by 2 is in the mid of minus 1 and 0. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 over 2. Question 2, second part, solve and represent the solution on real line. 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 by 2 equals 1 minus x minus 1 divided by 3. You see, the denominators are 3, 2 and 3. LCM of 3, 2 and 3 is 6. Multiplying both sides by 6. Both sides by 6. 6 into 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 6 into 1 by 2 equals 6 multiplied by 1 minus 6 into x minus 1 over 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is 2 twos are 4x plus 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3. 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Minus into plus minus, 2 times x is 2x. Minus into minus is plus, 2 ones are 2. 4x, 2 plus 3 is 5 equals 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 2x. 4x minus 2x here becomes plus 2x equals 8 plus 5 when transposed to right hand side becomes minus 5. 2x plus 4x is equal to 6x. 8 minus 5 is 3. Dividing both sides by 6. 6x over 6. 6 cancelled with 6. X is the remainder. 3 over 6. X is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Check. Given equation is 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 by 2 equals 1 minus x minus 1 over 3, putting x is equal to 1 by 2. 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 over 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 equals 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Half taken away from full. So half of minus is left over 3. Half taken away from full. Half of minus is left. One way is this. Other way may be like this, 1 by 2 minus 1, taking LCM, 2, 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 by 2, the same. Now you see, 1 plus 1 is 2 over 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 1 over 2 into 3. Take LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3. Here was 1. It is 1. 1 minus into minus plus 1 over 2 into 3. Now you see, students, it is 1 plus 1 over 6. 3 plus 4 is 7 over 6 equals, taking LCM 6, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7 over 6 is equal to 7 over 6, which is true. So, therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is solution of the given equation. Which one is the given equation? Given equation is this, 2x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 by 2 equals 1 minus x minus 1 divided by 3. Now, let us represent on real line. With the help of a foot ruler, we draw a straight line, mark equidistant points on the line, plus infinity, so on, minus infinity, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, x is equal to 1 by 2, 0 and 1. The midpoint of 0 and 1 is 1 by 2. So represented on the real line. Question 2, part 3, solve and represent the solution on real line. 3x plus 7 is less than 16. 3x is less than 16 minus 7. 3x is less than 16 minus 7 is 9. Dividing both sides by 3. 3x over 3 is x is less than 9 over 3. X is less than 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. X is less than 3, or within the parenthesis minus infinity and 3. It means that 3 is not inclusive. Let us represent the solution on real line with the help of a foot ruler. Draw a straight line and mark equidistant points on the line. I am taking gap of 1 inch. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, plus infinity, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, minus infinity. X is less than 3. So 3 is not inclusive. So open circle or hollow circle, this is representation of x is less than 3. Question 2, part 4. Solve and represent the solution on real line. 5 into x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 26x minus 10x plus 4. Opening the brackets, 5x plus into minus is minus, 5 3s are 15, is greater than or equal to 26x minus 10x, minus into plus is minus 4. 5x minus 15 is greater than or equal to 26x minus 10x is 16x minus 4. 5x minus 16x is greater than or equal to minus 4 plus 15. 5x minus 16x is minus 11x is greater than or equal to 11. Dividing both sides by minus 11. Minus 11 x over minus 11. When we multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, the sign of inequality is inverted. Greater than or equal to will be changed into less than or equal to 11 over minus 11. X is less than or equal to minus 1. Let us represent it on a number line. We will mark equidistant points, marks on the number line. I am using 1 inch, plus infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, minus infinity. X is less than or equal to minus infinity means the interval is minus infinity I am writing here squared bracket because minus 1 is inclusive because x is less than or equal to minus 1. That is why squared bracket is used here. Minus 1. This is minus 1 because minus 1 is inclusive. So, closed circle or filled circle or solid circle will be drawn in this case. In this case, closed circle or filled circle or solid circle will be drawn. So this is representation of the interval. Review exercise 5, question 3. Find the solution region of the following linear inequalities. First inequality is 3x minus 4y is less than or equal to 12. Second inequality is 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 3. The associated equations are, or you can say the corresponding equations are 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. Equation 2. First of all, we find the intercepts. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. 3x minus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. 4 zeros are 0. 3x minus 0 is 3x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, 3x over 3, 3 cancelled with 3, remainder is x. 12 over 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So x-intercept has coordinates 4 and 0. First we write x coordinate, then we write y coordinate. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 1. Now putting x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 minus 4y is equal to 12. 3 zeros are 0, 0 minus 4y is minus 4y is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by minus 4. Minus 4y over minus 4 cancelled with minus 4. Remainder is y, 12 over minus 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Y is equal to minus 3. So y-intercept B has coordinates 0 and minus 3. Now we find intercepts of equation 2. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 into 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 3. 2 zeros are 0. 3x plus 0 is 3x is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 3. 3x over 3, 3 cancelled with 3, remainder is x. 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is equal to 1, so x is 1. X-intercept has coordinates 1 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 into 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 3. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2y is 2y is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 2, 2y over 2, 2 cancelled with 2, y is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is actually 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. 1 whole 1 by 2. So y-intercept has coordinates 0 and 1 whole 1 by 2. Take 0, 0 as a test point and putting it in inequality 1. 3x, 3, 0, 3 into 0 minus 4y minus 4 into 0 is less than 12. Here it is less than or equal to, but here we will write only less than because 0 minus 0, 0 is less than 12 and is not equal to 12. True. 0 is less than 12 is true. So solution region of the inequality 3x minus 4y is the less than or equal to 12 lies toward the half plane containing the point 0, 0 and on the boundary line. Again take 0, 0 as test point and putting it in inequality 2. 3x 3 into 0 plus 2y 2 into 0 is greater than 3. 0 plus is greater than or equal to 3. 0 is greater than or equal to 3. This is false. 0 is neither greater than 3 nor equal to 3. So solution region of the inequality 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 3 lies towards the half plane not containing the point 0, 0 and on the boundary line. Let us draw xy plane, x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis and y-axis we mark equidistant points. Here I have taken 1 inch distance. So first of all we plot, we mark point A having coordinates 4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A point. This is having coordinates 4 and 0. Other is point B having coordinates 0 and minus 3. This is y-intercept. 0, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is point B having coordinates 0 and minus 3. Now we draw a line which passes through point A and B. This is the line. The equation of this line is 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Now we plot point C. Well, now we mark point C, which is x-intercept having coordinates 1 and 0. This is 1 and 0. So this is point C having coordinates 1 and 0. Now D, 0 and 1 whole 1 by 2. 0 and 1, this is 2. 1 by 2 is in the mid of the 1 and 2. 1 whole 1 by 2 is this point. Point D, 0 and 1 whole 1 by 2. So we draw a line which passes through point C and D. The equation of this line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now the shaded region is this, because this is, you see, solution is towards the half plane containing the point 0, 0. So this is towards the 0, 0 point, and the solution region of the second line is not is towards the half plane not containing 0, 0. It will not go this side, instead it will go this side. So this is the shaded region. Shaded region is the intersection of 3x minus 4y is less than or equal to 12 and 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 3. Question 3, part 2. Find the solution region of the following linear inequalities. First linear inequality is 2x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Second linear inequality is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. The associated equations are, or you can say the corresponding equations are 2x plus y is equal to 4, x plus 2y is equal to 6. Let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Let us find the intercepts. First of all, we find x-intercept of equation 1. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. 2x plus 0, replaced y by 0 is equal to 4. 2x plus 0 is 2x is equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 2, 2x over 2 cancelled with 2. 4 over 2, x is equal to 2 2s are 4. So x-intercept is A point having coordinates 2 and 0. First we write x coordinate and in the second place y coordinate. For y-intercept of equation 1, putting x is equal to 0 in 1. 2x, 2 into 0 plus y equals 4. Two zeros are 0, 0 plus y is equal to 4. So y-intercept is at point B. First write x coordinate 0 and then y coordinate 4. Let us find x-intercept of equation 2. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 into x plus 2y, 2 into 0 is equal to 6. Two zeros are 0, x plus 0 is x is equal to 6. So x-intercept of second equation is C having coordinates 6 and 0. For y-intercept of second equation, putting x is equal to 0 into x replaced by 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, 2y over 2, 2 cancelled with 2, remainder is y is equal to 6 over 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So y-intercept D point A have coordinates x is 0 and y is 3. Take 0 0 as a point, as a test point, and putting it in first inequality. 2x, 2 into 0 plus y is also replaced by 0 is less than 4. Here it is less than or equal to, but you know 0 is not equal to 4. Instead you can say it is less than 4. So you will write here only less than. 0 plus 0 is less than 4, which is true. So solution region of the inequality 2x plus y is less than or equal to 4 lies toward the half plane containing the point 0 0 and on the boundary line. It means it lies towards the origin. 0 0 are the coordinates of the origin. It lies towards the origin. Again, take 0 0 as a test point and put in second inequality, which is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. X 0 plus 2 into y 0 is less than 6. Here it is less than or equal to, but you know that 0 is less than 6. So here you will write only less than. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is less than 6. This is also true. So the solution region of the inequality x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6 lies towards the half plane containing the point 0 0. It will also lie towards the origin having point 0 0 and on the boundary line or on the boundary line. Let us draw xy plane, x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. Mark equidistant points on x-axis and y-axis. Here in this case, I have taken 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. First of all, you see point A has coordinates 2 and 0. 1, 2. This is point A having coordinates 2 and 0. point B 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is point B with coordinates 0 and 4. Now with the help of a foot ruler, we draw a line which passes through points A and B. This is the line. Equation of the line is 2x plus y is equal to 4. So I have written it on the line. Now plot the points. First of all, you see C point having coordinates 6 and 0. 6 and 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0. This is point C. Second one is D point having coordinates 0 and 3. 0 and 3. 1, 2, 3. This is point D. This is point D. Let us, with the help of a foot ruler, draw a line which passes through point C and D. This line is of x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now, because this is true, so the solution region of the inequalities lies towards the plane containing the point 0, 0. This one, this is point origin having coordinates 0 and 0. We have shaded this region towards the half plane containing 0, 0. Shaded region, this one, is the intersection of the two given inequalities 2x plus y is less than 4 and x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. Question 4. Find the maximum value of g of xy is equal to x plus 4y subject to the constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 4, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Solution. The associated equations are, or you can say the corresponding equations are, x plus y is equal to 4. Let it be equation 1. X is equal to 0, equation 2. Y is equal to 0, equation 3. We first of all find the x and y intercepts of equation 1. For x intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. X plus 0 is equal to 4. X plus 0 is x. X is equal to 4. So x intercept A has coordinates 4 and 0. For y intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 1. X 0 plus y is equal to 4. 0 plus y is equal to 4. So y intercept B has coordinates 0 and 4. Take 0, 0 as a test point and putting 0, 0 in inequality x plus y is less than or equal to 4. X 0 plus y 0 is less than or equal to 4. Here it will become less than 4 because 0 is never equal to 4. 0 plus 0, 0 is less than 4, so true. So the solution region of the inequality x plus y is less than or equal to 4 lies towards the half plane containing the point 0, 0 and on the boundary line x plus y is equal to 4. The solution is restricted in the first quadrant because of non-negative constraints. X is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. This is first quadrant. Here x is positive, y is also positive because it is greater than or equal to 0. So the solution is restricted in the first quadrant. Let us first of all find plot xy plane, x-axis, y-axis. origin. Now we mark equidistant points on x-axis and y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. First of all, you see A point has coordinates 4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 0. So this is point A. B has coordinates 0 and 4. 0 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is point B. Now with the help of a foot ruler, we draw a straight line which passes through the points A and B. Okay. Now, because it is in the first quadrant, so the shaded region will remain up to in the first quadrant. This is the shaded region. The corner points are, first corner point is origin having coordinates 0, 0. Second corner point is A with coordinates 4 and 0. And the third corner point is B, 0, 4. G of xy is equal to x plus 4y. G of 0, 0. Replacing x by 0, y by 0. 0 plus 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0 plus 0 is 0. G of 4, 0. Replacing x by 4 and y by 0. x4 plus 4 into y0. 4 zeros are 0 plus 4 is 4. G of 0, 4. x0 plus 4 into y, 0, 4 4s are 16 plus 0 is 16. You see maximum value is 16. The maximum value of G is 16 at the corner point B having coordinates 0 and 4. Question 5. Find the minimum value of f of xy equals 3x plus 5y subject to the constraints x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3, x plus y is greater than or equal to 2, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Solution. The associated equations are x plus 3y is equal to 3, equation 1, x plus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 2, equation 2, x is equal to 0, equation 3, y is equal to 0, equation 4. For equation 1, find x-intercept putting y is equal to 0 in 1. X plus 3 into 0 is equal to 3. 3 zeros are 0. X plus 0 is equal to x is equal to 3. So x-intercept A has coordinates 3 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 1, x0 plus 3y is equal to 3. 0 plus 3y is 3y is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 3, y is equal to 3 over 3, y is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So y-intercept B has coordinates 0 and 1. Now let us find intercepts of equation 2. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 2, x plus 0 is equal to 2, x plus 0 is x is equal to 2, so x-intercept C has coordinates 2 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 2, x0 plus y is equal to 2, 0 plus y is y is equal to 2, so y-intercept D has coordinates 0 and 2. Take 0, 0 as test point and putting 0, 0 in inequality 1. X plus 3y, x0 plus 3 into y0 is greater than or equal to 3. 0 plus 0 is 0 is greater than or equal to 3? Obviously false. 0 is less than 3. Okay. The solution, this shows that the solution region of the inequality x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3 lies towards the half plane not containing the point 0, 0 and on the boundary line x plus 3y is equal to 3. Again take 0, 0 as a test point and put it in x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. X is 0 plus y is 0 is greater than or equal to 2. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 2. False. This shows that the solution region of the inequality x plus y is greater than or equal to 2 lies towards the half plane not containing the point 0, 0 and on the boundary line x plus y is equal to 2. The solution is restricted in the first quadrant because of non-negative constraints. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Because x and y coordinates are positive in the first quadrant. First of all, we draw xy plane. We mark equidistant points on the x-axis and y-axis. Here we have taken each point at a distance of 1 inch. First of all, we see where is A. A has 30 coordinates 30. 1, 2, 3 and 0. This is A. Now B has coordinates 0 and 1. 0 and 1. This is B point. We pass a line through A and B. You see, this is a line of equation x plus 3y is equal to 3. Now we find out point C, which has coordinates 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. This is point C. And point D, which has coordinates 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. This is D. Pass a line with the help of a foot ruler through point C and D. This is line of equation x plus y is equal to 2. Because the solution is restricted in the first quadrant and lies towards the half plane not containing 0, 0. So it will go away from origin having coordinates 0, 0. Corner points are A, B and E. A has coordinates 3, 0. B has coordinates 0, 2. E has coordinates x, y. Equation 1 is x plus 3y is equal to 3. Equation 2 is x plus y is equal to 2. Solving the two equations simultaneously, subtracting, change of signs, x cancelled with minus x. 3y minus y is equal to 2y. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This implies that y is equal to 1 by 2, that is dividing both sides by 2. Putting y is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 2, you may put it in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2, LCM is 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 1, implies that x is equal to 3 by 2. So, E point has coordinates x coordinate 3 by 2 and y coordinate 1 by 2. F of xy is equal to 3x plus 5y. So, f of 3 and 0, putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. 3 into 3 plus 5 into 0, 5 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9 plus 0 is 9. Now, f of 0, 2, replacing x by 0 and y by 2, 3x, 3 into 0 plus 5y, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 0 is 10. F of 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, 3x, 3 into 3 by 2, plus 5y, 5 into 1 by 2, 3 3s are 9 by 2, plus 5 1s are 5 by 2, 9 plus 5 is 14 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 7. The minimum value 9, 10 and 7 is 7. Therefore, the minimum value of f is 7 at the corner point 3 by 2 and 1 by 2.